All right, solving equations with pronumerals on both sides of the equation. Now, the easiest way to do it is to use the balancing equation method. So over here, we represent 6n minus 17 equals to 2n plus 3 with the following over here. So 6n is represented by 6 units of n on this side. Now, take away 17 means having a pulley, lightening the load over here by 17 units. And I have 2n plus 3 units of mass over here. So let's start to write balanced equations by removing equal numbers of objects from both sides to keep the scale balanced. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we can conveniently strike out the two ends over here. But to keep the scale balance, we have to strike out two ends over here. Now, at the same time, we'll try to get rid of this 17 over here, because if we do that, we will be left with 4 ends only on one side of the scale. Now, to do that, to counterbalance the upward pull created by this pulley system, we add a mass of 17 units on this side. But of course, to keep it balanced, we also add a mass of 17 units on this side. So overall, what are we actually doing to the equation? Let's take a look. So 6n minus 17 equals to 2n plus 3. All right. So the effect of taking away 2 n's from both sides of the scale is to take away 2n. I take away 2n here. I take away 2n on this side. That leaves me with 4n on this side and no n's on this side. But at the same time, we've also added a 17 here. So we add a 17 and we add a mass of 17 units here. Now, the combined effect of negative 17 and plus 17 is 0. That cancels out 17 on this side. And we are left with 3 and 17 added together. So 3 and 17 added together gives you 20. Now, bear in mind, 2n take away 2n gives you 0. So we're left with 4n equals to 20. Now you have a very familiar one-step equation. So we divide both sides by 4. You have n equals to 5. So the answer is n equals to 5. So it means each of these n units, each of these n has a mass of 5 units. Let's take a look at this one. So